Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. And what are we learning about today? Well, today we're learning about how to handle cracked fingers or cracked skin right by your nail bed during the winter. And I've dealt with it for years. I can even remember when I was playing basketball, it would get so bad that I would actually get cuts where my skin would divide across my fingers from where I was dribbling the basketball. And I thought it was just from basketball. And then as I got older, I would get little fissures, I think was what you'd call them, little cuts right along your fingernail base, and sometimes they'd get pretty deep where that skin was dividing, and it would get so bad I don't recommend it, but it will work. Is I would put a little super glue on that to hold that skin together to keep it from being so painful. But two products I've found that work, so I thought I'd share with you. One is Vick's Vapor Rub. I got this from one of my nurses, but it's the mentholatum in there, and you put it on there, and you can put like a glob on, then put a Band-Aid over it if you want to really let it kind of absorb. But I would just every morning and evening go and take a little bit of it and rub it into my fingers where I was starting to have issues with it cracking to help prevent it. And it worked pretty well. If you're going to do it at night, make sure you either wear gloves or you put a Band-Aid over where you put the Vick's Vapor Rub if it's still kind of moist, because if you do rub your eyes, you're going to get in there and that'd be a bad thing because it'll burn. So I've used that and that's worked pretty well. But then lately, a buddy of mine, Tom Wagner, suggested Amlactin, which lactic acid is the ingredient in this. It's 12%. You can get it up to 15%, but that's kind of the magic. And it's a daily lotion. And I just put, after I get all ready in the morning before I get in the car, I'll put Amlactin, just rub it in on every little crack right by my nails and my finger, and I do that at night. This is the first time ever in probably 20 years that during the winter I have not had the last month cracked fingers. And so pretty amazing stuff. It's been anywhere from 8 degrees to 40 degrees here, so and you tend to get them during the winter because you're going out to a cold environment and then into a warm environment, so that change, and then your house is typically drier if you don't have a humidifier during the winter. So anyway, this Amlactin's been a cure for me, so hope it helps you out. I'm going to leave a link in the description below if you want to order it off Amazon. Like I said, you can get it at Target, probably Walmart, and you can get anywhere from 12 to 15%. I just got 12 because that's what was available at Target. So anyway, hope that helps you out. Thanks for watching.